What is up YouTube, CM Gamer here, and today I am going to be doing a video on driving around in a plane. And I am going to make a playlist of all of these. I am going to do 3 planes, a Vestra and a Millet, I think they are called. And this one is a Bezra, I think it is. I can't really pronounce them, but yeah, this is story mode and I am getting in a Bezra. So, yeah. Going to be doing some stunts. That is amazing. Playing so fast. Oh, I could probably land, didn't it? Oh wow, I'll be able to land. It stops so quickly, look. I'm really terrible at... Oh, it even takes off in like 2 seconds. Oh, go down here, look. Look. I can take off here. Look. I did not even crash. Wow. Just see it? Told you I'll crash. And yeah, so that will be it for the video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed me flying around in the Bezra. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Peace out. YouTube, CM Gamer here, and today I am going to be doing a video on subscribe to my friend.